Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Rinku Art. Yesterday I had demonstrated you how to draw lady or female body shape or how to draw the body of female character. Here I have shown you the rough only because in cleanup or detailing it will take more time, as I have shown you 3 models. So in this video I will do the cleanup and the detailing, rough cleanup I should say, because cleanup will take more time and I need to rotate the screen and all, it will take more time. So I have decided that I'll show the detailing, which is more important, and how I'm placing the eyes, nose, mouth, etc. You please observe it carefully and we'll do the detailing. Before starting, I would like to say that very soon I am going to start an animation course. I'll explain all the principles and then I'll start the animation course, you can say. But before that, the things which are required to start animation, I want to add those things in my videos so that it will be easier for you to understand animation easily. Okay, so that we'll see later, but first let me complete this video. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So to do the detailing, I will reduce the opacity of the characters from here like this. So now it is visible nicely to do the detailing. So I'll create one new layer and start with this small girl. Okay, I'll zoom in and first I will do the eyes. I'll change the color to blue like this and we'll start doing the eyes. Here this stage is for detailing. In the next step you should do the cleanup. I think you can do very easily. So now see here, everything is not balanced, like the eyes are not in the line, proper line I should say, and the eyelashes like this. I can add a thin line over here which was not there in rough. And now the nose, I need to see which nose it will look nice on this character, because if I'll make the nose pointed, it will look little evil. And the eyebrows like this. Okay, so my eyes are on this character eyes. Let me tell you this, because if the eyes are not looking that convincing, then the character will not look realistic or appealing, I should say. Okay, so you need to see the eyes every time. If you are adding some new thing like nose and mouth, like you are doing the detailings one by one, with that you need to check or you need to see whether it is looking good or not. Okay, every time you need to check the eyes very carefully, you need to do. And from here I'll do the hairs first. It's not mandatory that you will start with the hairs. You can go with nose, mouth, ears, then you can go for hairs. But here I feel like hairs is required because I feel like this hairs may not look good. That's why I am drawing it and observing if it is working or not. Okay, so here the ears. So here I will first draw the line here like this, and the lips. Okay, see again I'm looking to the face and observing or try to see whether this character is looking nice or not. That's why I'm erasing and doing every time. This is the detailing stage, so you need to check the face very nicely and carefully, because this will give the character its attitude or the appeal. Okay, So check every time. In this stage you should not bother about the lines. See, I am also doing the rough, you can say it's not that rough, but because the next step is the cleanup, so you should not do like ears means like this and you will do 1 second like this. No, you have to be very clear that a detailing stage where you need to give the correct line for the next step, that is the cleanup stage. So here I'll put a earring. Maybe I'm not giving this type of earring here because she's a small girl, so I don't think it will look good on her, so that's why I am not adding that one. Instead I am just placing a small earring, and this ear is not looking good on her, so I'll erase it. So like this small ear I will add, and this hairstyle will be like this, and here. So what I'll do, I'll erase these area. See, so basically the hairs will be like this. Now you can observe me, I have drawn a line here to get a guide, and now after that drawing is completed, I have just erased this. So this is the hairstyle I have fixed here, and now I will extend the hair. Now the detailing of the face is completed for me, and I'll do the body. For that I need to do or draw the neck first and see whether it is balancing the head or not. Okay, the neck and shoulder like this. I'll draw the shape of the hands, the dress. Actually it's a very simple dress, so nothing much to explain you. And while I am drawing this area, I am also observing the face with the body, because it should also look good in each and every step. So always compare the part which you are drawing with the face, or later on you need to erase everything. So better to check in every step. I am drawing her hand thin, and here you can observe that some variations are there as compared to the rough drawing which I had drawn earlier in my previous video. And now see, the center of the leg also changes. So those things will happen, no issue. What I'll do, I will replace that drawing like this to get the legs. And it should not be pointed. I'll give the shadow. Let me tell you, this is an important thing for me because it will give some dimension or the depth of the character. So you can add that one, as I have added in 2 areas. So you can also add it and see the difference. And here I will add the left hand, some designs maybe. So what is left is the hair, and that I'm thinking like this is coming more outside. So I'll erase this and this and try to fix it. I'll add from here. See, I'm doing the continuation from here. It's not like I'm just starting from this area. I'm talking about here. Please observe it carefully, that I'm just continuing the line from here, and I'll do it like this. And this one I'm thinking from where you can see the cursor, I'm just dragging without touching the drawing pad, and like this, but it is looking very thin, so I need to extend it up to here maybe. Yeah, it is looking somewhat okay. Let me check whether it will look nice or not if I'll draw it from here. Now it's not looking that much real, so I'll continue doing the same as before, like this. So yeah, this rough detailing is ready, and I'll do some thick lines to make it more clear. Okay. So here I have completed my first character, and I hope you like this character. And after applying the thick line, you can see the difference. It is looking better than the before. The next step is the cleanup, which you need to do, but after doing this type of detailing, it's easier for you to do the cleanup. Okay. In cleanup, you just have to keep in mind that the line should be uniform, or the place where you need to make thin line, that you can do, but without the rough lines. Okay. So let me do the detailing of this character as well. So here I can change the style of the eyes, maybe like this. And the nose, only one stroke for the eyebrows over here, and like this one for the left. After doing this, I'll add some lines under the eyes, like this, and in this eyes it is not visible. And here I will add the ear, like this, and I will use some earrings like this. Next I will do the lips, like this maybe, or now it is not looking good, so I'll erase it. Yeah, it is looking much better. So you need to do 2 to 3 times to get the idea whether that mouth is looking good, or it is appropriate for that face or not. And now I will do the jawline. Here I am doing a little pointed chin. See how I am changing the rough lines and creating my character. You can also do the same, or else you can do exactly what you have done on rough. It's totally up to you. See, I have changed the character. So likewise you can also change your character and see whether it is looking nice or not. Okay. So here I will use some different hairstyle like this, and you can also do, here I have used the stroke, and you can also do by practicing the lines like this, and from here I'm thinking how to do it, or like this maybe, or yeah. So this character I have thought of little villainous character. So this character I have thought of a negative character, and you can change your character's hairstyle according to your choice. Okay, so the face is done. Okay, let me tell you one thing. When you will do this type of eyes, you should darken the line above the pupil like this, and this one will be light. Okay, next I'll do the neck. For dresses or accessories, you can take the reference from Google, and you can make it cartoony. To represent a female character in your drawing, you need to observe small things like the hands. In case of male figure, the hands will be like this, shoulder and like this. Okay, but in case of female it will be somewhat inward then outward. Okay, so those things you need to keep in mind and observe in drawings from different artists, and you can get the thing. So this also done, and now I'll do the darker line where it is required. You can add the shoulder over here, which I have left. So here also the rough detailing is done. Now it is quite clear which line I need to follow in cleanup. So it is also done. Let me do the third one very quickly and I'll get back to you. So this style is different than the previous two. Here the eyes are simply the pupil and the nose is bigger as the character is little fatty. Now the shape. Here I am using little bigger shapes, and you can also explore this type of drawing. So here also it is done, and I'll do the thick and thin line or the darker line. So here I have completed the detailings of the characters, and now I will unhide the I'll hide the rough drawings of these three cartoon characters. Okay, so this one, the third one, second one, and the first one. So now you can observe that where you have done mistakes or you have drawn multiple lines, there you can go back and erase the unwanted lines. Like here let me go to that layer in the second one, and you can see here I have drawn some rough lines, that you can erase it so that it will be helpful for you while drawing the cleanup. Likewise you can check other drawings. I think this is enough for drawing the cleanup of these characters. So let me check once again over here. See, this is rough, it is not an issue, you can maintain in the cleanup. So the rough detailing is done right now, and if you want how to do the cleanup, then again I need to make a video on that. But I think you can do the cleanup very nicely, and this software is very helpful for doing the rough cleanup, I should say, because cleanup means you have to go for the software Flash, Adobe Flash, or which is newly called as Animate. So you can go on that and you can do the cleanup with the help of line tool. Okay, so for today it is done, I think, and please practice and bring your character to life. Concentrate on the eyes more and you will get your character done. Okay, and if you want to send me your own character, please send me in rkart83@gmail.com, and I will check your drawings, I'll check your characters, and I'll give my feedback through mail or Instagram. Okay, so in my next video I don't know what I'll upload. You can give your suggestion in my description box so that I can go through it, and I'll upload according to the points, according to the topics. Okay, and that's it for today. I hope you like this video. This is the second video. Please go and watch the first two video and let me know your suggestion or comments And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, hitting the all option to get the notification as soon as I upload such videos. So take care and bye bye.